Good morning, everyone. Day before our show starts tomorrow, 9 to 4, here at Hodges Farm. When you're going down the road, look for the yellow signs, or look for this house. This is our house because this is at our farm, and you can pan around and show you. We have a couple dealers here still setting up, and let me take you around and show you some of the booths. This is Fred Kane from Florida. He's in our little log, our 1850s log cabin. He brought some nice rugs that I wouldn't have on the floor. I would hang them on the fence. And he's going to bring a few more things. They've just been here a day or so they're going to bring a few more things. Look at this darling dog rug. This is my old fan that's out here that your daddy used to come out here and take a nap and turn the fan on.
He did.
For years and years. This is a wonderful rug. Okay, we're going to go over here to another place. Okay, we're over here at what used to be my shop. And on the porch here we have Diane Byer. She has brought a lot of pottery. She always has lots of good boxes. And it goes around to the other side over there. Pretty. Can't read it. It's probably somebody's name. It's got the lid on it. Here's a butter churn. We have rugs. We have glass. We have a little bit of everything out here. Okay, and just go inside. I'm excited to show you her things inside. She made all of the patriotic things. This room is packed to the gills. These are those wonderful pot holders that Pam Campbell brings. I think she sold over 200 last time. And they really are nice and thick. They're layered. She has all kinds of little bunnies and things. Here are some of Diane's wonderful creations. All of these are handmade by her. She has bunnies. I love Uncle Sam. This is our big anniversary here in the United States of America, greatest country in the world. See all the little bunnies and things. These little trees are great. You can use them for any season. And I don't think she has too much on it. I think they are, I'll tell you how much they are. Oh, they don't have a price. I think they're like $34. I think. So she may not have a price on
She might not have priced them yet.
Okay. Okay. Here's some of Caden's artwork when he was a little kid. This is Hodges Farm. I keep it out here on this refrigerator, and these are wonderful pictures of him looking there. I wish Caden was going to be here, but he's not. This girl here didn't get to bring as much as she wanted to. This is Rowe pottery. If anybody collects Rowe, she has several pieces. I believe this is a piece of Rowe. Yes. That may be. And I know this is Rowe. So, and she's going to bring some more things, I think, in the morning when she comes back. So let's walk out here. These are true barn finds. Or even, some of them are still dirty even. They came out of, a guy from Bastrop brought a lot of this stuff. We have doors. We have wonderful early doors. We have these two French doors. Look at this chair. When you sit in it, it goes down. I think somebody said it was called a smoking chair. I don't know why, but we have a lot of outdoor furniture. And some over there too. And then I think this bottle tree, if you put a star up here, you could have that for Christmas. You could, if you had some red bottles too. That Melissa brought that. We have all kinds of barn stuff. Out of barns. We have these nice pulleys, and they're priced well. We have bunny rabbits. This bunny rabbit is in my house, and got some old boards, and the kids cut them out for me. Wonderful bird cages. This one has a wonderful story that goes with it if I can find it. It's written down somewhere. They got a baby mockingbird, and that's why they bought that bird cage. And in here we have all kinds of stuff. Gosh, we have, and we're going to have a game. We're going to hide golden eggs. And you can come, and if you find a golden egg, you get to pick a gift out of the basket. We have handmaids. We have coverlets, Afghans, old Afghans. There's some more coverlets. This is a beautiful green table, pegged, wonderful peg. And this is a great tote on top of it. Let's see here. If you like Tonka toys, somebody brought these. This is not all my stuff. Somebody brought the Tonka toys. We have this darling, cute as it can be. Be great on a counter somewhere. Let's see. We have paintings. We have a bunch of Stike toys. All of them are priced well. Let's see here. If you're looking for Tom's jars, and this one here, this one's from, I think, up north, but they're all in good shape. We have some great butter molds, butter presses. And this, I had to look up. I thought it was maybe a cookie cutter, which you could cut with it. Well, it's not. It's something that goes with flax or wool. They use it to strip. These are early pickle jars. Here we have, so glad to have Donna back. This is Donna Munson. You can look her up in Etsy and different places. She does all this wonderful punch needle. And she went ahead and brought some seasonal ones too. She does all of this. She paints, she rug hooks, you name it, she does it. She has all these wonderful little, look at this rabbit. Isn't he precious? Oh darn, she doesn't have him priced. That's not like her. Let's see what this one is, and that'll give us an idea of what the rabbit would be. $48 is what this is. So I'll have to ask her what that is. Oh, the whale. Is he not wonderful? We have a bunch of pottery here. We have some bicentennial, not bicentennial, whatever we call the 250 years. And just a piece of information. I have been in this house. I was in here for the bicentennial, and now I'm in here for the, I think it's called the sesquis something. But we have these bunnies. We have these great bunnies. I don't know if I already mentioned that. So anyway, we have a lot of stuff. I'm making cakes right now. I'm making a carrot cake and a strawberry cake. So we will have lots of refreshments. You go right through that door, go in there, and you can have cake, cobbler, some water if you need it, and get a tour of our 1850s house.